Namaste and happy evening. This is Jayanti Narayan, Advanced Cosmic Master Healer. I'm so happy and excited to welcome you all to the 5 day healing and manifestation journey through the CHQM modality, Cosmic Healing and Quantum Manifestation. Henceforth, I'll be mentioning CHQM. You being there today, it is not a coincidence. It's a divine calling. It's a desire from your inner self to understand and harmonize your energy field. Over the next 5 days, we will explore how energy impacts every aspect of your life, your health, emotions, and relationships, money, and career. But this journey is not just about learning, it's about experiencing and applying energy in your real life. Let me explain briefly to you all today. Ancient wisdom tells us that we are not just this physical body made of flesh and bones. We are an energy body, Sukshma Sharira, which is also called subtle body, through which the energy flows, prana flows. This life force expresses itself through five elements: earth energy, water energy, fire energy, air energy, and the space energy. And it is channeled through our seven chakras, the energy centers of our body. First is Mooladhara, root chakra, earth element, governs stability, security, and physical strength. Next is Swadhisthana, water element, governs emotional flow and relationships. Third is Manipura, also called solar plexus, fire element, governs confidence, motivation, digestion, and willpower. Fourth is Anahata, heart chakra, air element, governs love, compassion, and freedom. Fifth is Vishuddha, throat, space element, governs communication, influence, and healing, channels the cosmic nectar, the Amrita flow. Agna Chakra, third eye, consciousness energy, governs clarity, intuition, awareness, and clairvoyance. Last is Sahasrara Chakra, also called crown chakra, connects us to the universal consciousness. Aham Brahmasmi Soham. When these elements and chakras are in harmony, life feels balanced and abundant. But when they are disturbed, we face challenges in health, emotions, relationships, or finances. Today, we begin by understanding your energy balance. I will share a link to a chakra assessment form. Please fill it honestly. Tomorrow, I will analyze your results and share your personalized chakra report. Remember, this journey is about discovering your inner power and applying it for healing and manifestation. So exciting, na? See you all tomorrow as we explore how your energy affects your physical health. Thank you, and may the energy of the universe bless you all. Namaskara, Om Sai Ram.